I am Hind Khana and I will present my ongoing research titled Integration of a Passive Cooling System in a Building Information Model, an Indoor Vegetated Envelope Model. Building homes and skyscrapers with thousands of pounds of concrete, steel and other materials is a major contributor to pollution and energy use. But it's more than that. Construction, heating and cooling, insulation and integration into surrounding environment have lasting impact on energy use and cost. In order to reduce these economic and ecological issues, researchers develop sustainable implementation of nature-based design, such as vegetated envelopes as an energy-saving measure within new and existing buildings. In this presentation, I will proceed following the present outline. First, I will be looking at the objective and motivation behind working on a digital simulation of vertical vegetated envelope to overcome a quantitative analysis of its performance. Afterward, I will present the methodological workflow to incorporate dynamic energy simulation in the design of an indoor vegetated envelope model based on building information model. I will present the expected result from this ongoing research. By the end, I will conclude the presentation. Vegetated architecture is an old technique. Indeed, courtyards, terraces, and facades containing foliage and exotic flowers was a significant aesthetic appeal and a part of old architecture design through centuries. Nowadays, green construction design concept exists as an upward trend. In addition to its traditional artistic appeal, it reduces energy consumption and provides an indoor thermohygrometric comfort. Experiment studies have proven that placing a green wall as exterior building facade provides protection and reduces energy consumption, or whether as internal partition or facade, it significantly improves indoor environment, making it soft, healthier, and more energy efficient. Despite the well-recognized benefits of the vegetated envelope in our denatured urban area, a quantitative analysis of their performance is often lacking. Firstly, there is a lack of dedicated dynamic simulation tool for nature-based design. Furthermore, few numerical studies use existing building simulation software where modeling techniques are self-developed by researchers. These latter are rarely combined with digital design platforms such as BIM or 3D modeling, which gives rise to lack of open building data and detailed information about the building geometry and its components. Secondly, existing BIM thermal simulation don't include specific assessment tool for vegetated envelope at the energy modeling phase, limiting the scope of the performance-based evaluation. It remains only as a part of the 3D representation of the building, and which affects the accuracy of the building performance calculation results. In this regard, within the limitation of the current simulation tools, the objective of this research is to incorporate dynamic simulation for energy performance analysis based on digital BIM model of a vertical vegetated envelope. A simulation-based workflow evaluating the energy saving and promoting high-performance design of an indoor vegetated envelope model based on BIM consists on three main steps. The first step is about modeling a green wall within a BIM model. That the BIM modeling process starts by creating a 3D digital mockup of the vegetated envelope model, then generating an EFC file from the BIM modeling tool. The resultant EFC file represents geometrical data of the building and a vegetated envelope model with rich and precise description about characteristics of the elements such as type of materials, thermal and physical parameters. The next step comes into adapting terraces for green wall dynamic performance through the living component of the building envelope model, which describe dominant thermal and hydric balance occurs in different layers of the module. This later will be integrated into the numerical code of the software. And the last step It's about simulating the energy performance of the green wall using BIM. The objective of this step is to conduct iterative energy simulations based on the BIM model of the green envelope within Terrances. The results can be optimized at the level of the energy envelope model by changing some parameters related to green wall properties such as substrate thickness, moisture content, foliage coverage, and also related to design concepts. Here we are talking about locations, orientation, support wall materials. The study focused on living walls, which are a specific type of indoor green wall application where the plant, substrate, and structural support are directly integrated with the building wall. For thermal modeling and simulation, we choose to use simulation engines Terrances, which is recognized as professional and performant energy simulation tool by researchers and professionals. The modeling of thermohydric performance of vegetated envelope required the consideration of the coupled transfer of mass and heat. In this section, we focused on evaporative cooling of substrate and the release of vapor from plants, resulting in a significant change of temperature and relative humidity. This phase change process affects heat transfer by removing latent heat on leaves and substrate. A simultaneous diffusion of heat and mass results in cooling effects of the surroundings. The interest in our research is the mapping between the geometrical model and the thermal simulation model of the vegetated envelope using BIM in order to evaluate the energy performance of a vegetated envelope model by testing several parameters relative to its design. Dynamic energy simulation based on BIM model will be used for this purpose. The result of the first simulations will allow the assessment of the thermal behavior viability of the proposed vegetated envelope, its conductivity and cooling effects. Several factors will be tested to enhance the quality of the simulation to reach an energy performance building. In this research, we present the concept of vegetated building envelope as an environmental and economic solution to reach energy efficiency and thermal comfort in buildings, especially in hot and dry regions. A simulation-based workflow evaluating the energy saving of living wall, which can boost the integration of green elements in built form by assessing economic viability and promoting high-performance design. On the other hand, building simulation industry can also benefit from the study as they shed light on the limitation of existing simulation tools from a designer perspective. Thank you for your attention.